Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x by implicit differentiation. We have two trig functions we're going to use, and so we can go ahead and get started and differentiate. So we have the derivative of y is just derivative of y prime, and then we're going to take the derivative of sine, and that's cosine of xy. And then we're going to take the derivative of the product inside here. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down x, take the derivative of y, plus you take the derivative of x, which is 1, times y. Alright, so when you clean all this up, I'll go ahead and distribute. So you have y prime, the derivative of y is cosine of xy times xy prime plus, and I'll go ahead and put the y in front, y times cosine of xy. So I just distributed here. Now I'm going to move this side over here. So you have y minus, I'm going to go ahead and put him in front. The reason I did that is so I can factor out the y prime. When you factor out the y prime, you're going to get, this is y prime, you're going to get y prime times 1 minus x cosine of xy equals y times cosine of xy. And then we just divide both sides by this piece, so you get a derivative of y equals y times cosine of xy over 1 minus x times cosine of xy. And the last one we have is x equals secant of 1 over x. I went ahead and took the liberty of rewriting that as y to the negative 1. So, get started. The derivative of x is just 1. And derivative of secant is secant 1 over y times tan of 1 over y. And then we have to take the derivative of this piece. In this case, I'm going to do it this way. And that's going to be negative y to the negative 2 times y, the derivative of y. Alright, so simplifying this, we get 1 minus, because it's equals, sorry. And I'm going to put this guy first, so this is going to be negative y, the derivative goes on top, and then this is going to be y squared, but move it to the bottom. And this looks like a 1, so I think I'm going to just kind of move it like that, y prime times secant of 1 over y times tan of 1 over y. And then I need my y prime, so I'm going to go ahead and write this as, I'm going to go ahead and kind of cross multiply here, so we get y squared equals, and I can put the negative here because I want my prime to be positive, so I'm crossing up, so that's going to be y prime times secant 1 over y times tan of 1 over y, and that's just cross multiplying these two. And then I'm going to divide both sides by this, so you're going to get negative y squared over secant 1 over y times tan of 1 over y, which equals your y prime. And if you want, this is supposed to be y. If you want to simplify this even further with identities, you don't have to, but you're going to get y prime equals negative y squared, and I'm going to move the secant up, so that would be cosine of 1 over y. And if I move him in the numerator, he's going to turn to tan, cotan of 1 over y. You don't have to do that, but looks a little nicer. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.